Welcome to Best Picks Lab. The best Neutrogena Retinol Pro Plus is probably one of the most talked about skincare innovations this year, promising a powerful yet gentle approach to tackling fine lines, wrinkles, and uneven skin tone with its advanced retinol formula. And today we're diving deep to see if it truly lives up to the hype and delivers the radiant, youthful complexion it claims. Number 5. Neutrogena Rapid Wrinkle Repair Retinol Face Moisturizer SPF 30. Tired of fine lines and wrinkles? Discover the power of our advanced formula designed to visibly reduce their appearance. Get ready to embrace a smoother, more radiant complexion. Harnessing the proven benefits of retinol, this daily moisturizer works deep within your skin. It targets key signs of aging, helping to reveal a more youthful look. Experience intense hydration thanks to hyaluronic acid, which plumps and moisturizes your skin. Plus, with SPF 30, it provides essential daily sun protection. This potent cream is formulated to combat visible signs of aging. It effectively addresses fine lines, wrinkles, and the appearance of dark spots for a more even skin tone. Incorporate this essential step into your daily skincare routine. It's designed to rejuvenate your skin, leaving it feeling soft, smooth, and protected. See a noticeable difference in your skin's texture and tone with consistent use. It's your partner in achieving a visibly younger-looking appearance. What we like? This one offers built-in sun protection, making it perfect for your morning routine. If you're looking for a daily moisturizer that combats signs of aging while safeguarding your skin from sun damage, this is an excellent choice. It's ideal for those who want to simplify their skincare and ensure daily SPF coverage. What people say. This is a great product that works well. I love this product and it is very effective. This product is amazing and I would recommend it to anyone. Number 4. Neutrogena Rapid Wrinkle Repair Retinol Face Moisturizer. Tired of fine lines and wrinkles? Discover the power of retinol to visibly reduce signs of aging. Our formula works to smooth and rejuvenate your complexion. This potent moisturizer is enriched with retinol and hyaluronic acid. Together, they hydrate and target the appearance of wrinkles and dark spots. Effectively combat the visible signs of aging with daily use. It helps to diminish the look of fine lines and wrinkles, revealing a more youthful appearance. Enjoy the benefits of advanced skincare without the irritation. This cream is fragrance-free, making it suitable for sensitive skin. Address uneven skin tone and dark spots. With consistent application, you'll notice a brighter and more even complexion. Incorporate this anti-aging cream into your daily routine for continuous improvement. It's designed to deliver visible results over time. What we like? If you have sensitive skin or dislike added fragrances, this option is designed for you. Its gentle, fragrance-free formulation still delivers powerful retinol benefits to tackle fine lines and dark spots. Choose this if you prioritize a comfortable, irritation-free experience while still seeking effective anti-aging results. What people say. This serum is a game-changer for fine lines and wrinkles. My skin feels smoother and looks brighter after just a few weeks of use. The lightweight formula absorbs quickly without any greasy residue. Number 3. Neutrogena Rapid Wrinkle Repair Retinol Face Oil. Discover the power of Neutrogena Rapid Wrinkle Repair. This potent formula is designed to visibly reduce the signs of aging. Infused with advanced retinol, it works deep within the skin's surface. Experience a noticeable improvement in your skin's texture and tone. Effectively combat fine lines and deep wrinkles. It helps to smooth and plump your skin for a more youthful appearance. This serum also targets and diminishes the appearance of dark spots. Reveal a brighter, more even complexion. Incorporate this into your daily routine for comprehensive anti-aging benefits. Achieve smoother, firmer, and revitalized skin. See a visible difference in your skin's radiance and smoothness. It's your daily defense against aging. What we like? For those targeting deeper wrinkles and seeking a potent treatment, this oil serum is a great pick. Its concentrated formula works to deeply penetrate the skin, addressing stubborn lines and dark spots effectively. If you prefer a serum format for targeted treatment and are looking for intense anti-aging power, consider this product. What people say. I have been using Neutrogena Rapid Wrinkle Repair Retinol Pro Plus 0.5% Power Serum for a few weeks now, and I can already see a difference in my skin. The fine lines around my eyes and mouth are less noticeable, and my skin looks smoother and more radiant. The serum is lightweight and absorbs quickly, without leaving any greasy residue. This serum is a game changer for anyone looking to improve the texture and tone of their skin. The 0.5% retinol concentration is potent enough to deliver visible results, but gentle enough to use daily without irritation. I've noticed a significant reduction in dark spots and hyperpigmentation, and my skin feels firmer and more elastic. I love the packaging of this serum. The pump dispenser ensures that I get the right amount of product every time, and it keeps the retinol from being exposed to light and air, which helps maintain its potency. The serum itself is silky smooth and feels luxurious on the skin. Number 2. 8% Complex Retinol Facial Serum. We've updated our packaging, but the powerful formula you love remains the same. Get ready for a revitalized complexion with our advanced serum. This potent serum is designed to combat the signs of aging. It works to reduce the appearance of fine lines and wrinkles, revealing smoother, younger-looking skin. Experience a brighter, more radiant complexion. Infused with nourishing ingredients, it helps to even out skin tone and enhance overall skin health. Formulated with a powerful blend of lactic acid, vitamin A, and retinol palmitate, it delivers targeted benefits for your skin. These ingredients work synergistically to improve skin texture and firmness. This versatile serum is perfect for both your face and neck. It helps to nourish and rejuvenate these delicate areas, addressing common concerns like sagging and dullness. Each 15 ml bottle contains a concentrated dose of anti-aging goodness. Enjoy the benefits of a professional treatment in a convenient size. What we like. This serum is formulated with a potent 8% retinol complex, aiming for significant brightening and nourishment. If you're looking for a serum that not only fights aging but also enhances skin's radiance and provides essential nutrients, this could be your go-to. It's suitable for those who want a multi-benefit serum for a more luminous complexion. What people say. This is a great product that has helped me with my skin. I love how this product makes my skin feel so soft and smooth. This product is very effective in reducing the appearance of wrinkles and fine lines. Number 1. PAULA'S Choice Skin Perfecting 2% BHA Liquid Exfoliant. Discover the secret to a refined complexion. This powerful exfoliant gently buffs away dullness, revealing your skin's natural radiance. Say goodbye to enlarged pores and the appearance of fine lines. It works deep within to smooth and firm your skin's texture. Struggling with blackheads? This formula is specifically designed to tackle them, leaving your skin clearer and more balanced. Experience the benefits of advanced exfoliation without irritation. It's formulated to be effective yet gentle on your skin. Enjoy the pure efficacy of a fragrance-free treatment. It's perfect for those who prefer unscented skincare solutions. Whether your skin is oily, dry, or combination, this exfoliant is suitable for you. Achieve visibly improved skin with every use. What we like. This exfoliant is specifically designed for those struggling with clogged pores and blackheads, thanks to its 2% BHA content. If you have oily or acne-prone skin and are looking for a powerful yet gentle exfoliant to smooth texture and reduce breakouts, this is the one. Its fragrance-free nature makes it a good choice for those sensitive to scents. What people say. This serum contains 1% pure retinol, which is a potent form of vitamin A known for its anti-aging properties. The formula is designed to target fine lines, wrinkles, and uneven skin tone, promoting a smoother and more radiant complexion. It also includes hyaluronic acid to help hydrate and plump the skin, counteracting potential dryness from the retinol. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.